Friends, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, this is the new device. It comes with Android 10, One UI 2.5 and powered by Exynos 990 processor with octa-core 2.73 GHz and GPU Mali G77 MP11. Whereas Vivo X50 Pro runs Android 10, FunTouch 10.5 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor with 2.4 GHz octa-core with GPU Adreno 620. If you see the display of this huge device, you can find 6.9 inches screen size with dynamic AMOLED 2x display that comes with a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels with 494 ppi pixels density and also comes with screen protection of Corning Gorilla Glass with Samsung Pay feature IP68 dust or water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and obviously it comes with a stylus with Bluetooth integration. Whereas Vivo X50 Pro is 6.56 inches device with the AMOLED display having resolution 2376 by 1080 pixels with 398 ppi pixels density and comes with HDR10 plus screen protection. Talking about the internal primary memory, then Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is available in two variants of primary storage, that is 256GB and 512GB. It also comes with the RAM of 8GB and supports micro SD XE. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, it is produced in Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black and Mystic White colors. Moving on to Vivo X50 Pro, it is available in two variants of primary storage. One is available in 256GB while the other variant is available in 128GB, but both the variants comes with 8GB RAM. But there is no external memory support in this device. Friends, as far as concerned about colors for this device, then it is produced in dark blue and light blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it measures 164.8 by 77.2 by 8.1 mm of height, width, thickness and 208 gram of weight with hybrid dual nano SIM option. Whereas Vivo X50 Pro measures 158.5 by 72.8 by 8 mm of height, weight, thickness and 181.5 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with triple 108 12 megapixels cameras with wide, ultra-wide, periscope, telephoto, wide lenses, 5x optical zoom, 50x hybrid zoom, LED flash, auto HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos of 8K at 24 frames per second, 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second and so on, and it comes with HDR10 plus with stereo sound recording and also equipped with 10 megapixels selfie camera with 2.2 aperture with wide angle dual pixel PDAF and recording of 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second with full HD at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Vivo X50 Pro, it comes with quad camera setup that is available in 48 plus 8 plus 13 plus 8 megapixels with wide periscope telephoto with PDAF, optical image stabilization, 5x and 2x optical zoom for 8 and 13 megapixels cameras, dual LED dual tone flash, HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos up to 4K at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and also equipped with 32 megapixels wide secondary camera that comes with 2.5 aperture and can record the video at 1080 pixels with 30 frames per second. Friends, in Galaxy Note 20 Ultra you can find under display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like barometer, accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope. This phone has a support of Samsung wireless DeX and Bixby as well. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, 3.2 Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast charging with 25 watts, and this phone is powered by non-removable 4500 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Vivo X50 Pro you can find under display optical fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, color spectrum, gyroscope, compass and accelerometer. From the connectivity side, this phone comes with Wi-Fi dual band, hotspot, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, NFC, GPS, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast battery charging at 33 watts that can charge the device 57% in 30 minutes. This phone is powered by a non-removable 4315 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.